Hello, my name is Rocio. Where do you live? I live in Bogota City, in Suba locality. What do you study? I study bachelor's degree in elementary basic education, 1 semester. Dice, do you work? Yes, I do. I work at the Central Hospital as a nurse. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up. I start work 8 o'clock. Do you have a pet? No, I don't. I don't animals. Because I had the dog hair. Do you like drinking milk? No, I don't, but I prefer drinking water. I enjoy drinking orange juice. Dice, what foods do you dislike? I dislike vegetable soup. I like fast food. I adore pizza. What do you like to do in free time? I like spend time with my family. And my family always watches movies at night. Sleep. Do you like read? Yes, I do. I enjoy reading a book before sleep. Do you work Saturdays? No, I don't. I avoid working in Saturdays because I travel in studying Chiquinquirá. 14 hasta la 11. When do you go to bed? I go to bed very late. Because I always finish working 10 p.m. Also make dinner for my family. Do you like walking? Bueno, era, do you like walking? No, I don't. I enjoy reading my Bible after lunch. What do you on Sunday? I watch television regularly and some teams play video games. Thank you. Thank you.